Now that you're familiar with the concept of reverse mortgages, you might be asking yourself, why should I get one? Well, we're glad you asked. The answer comes in 3 parts: need, lifestyle, and planning. Let's delve into how a reverse mortgage could be a strategic asset in your retirement planning toolkit. For some, financial relief can't come soon enough. Imagine facing an urgent need for in-home health care without the assets or the income to cover it. Here's where a reverse mortgage shines, offering monthly payments to bridge financial gaps just like this. In times of need, a reverse mortgage can provide flexibility and security. Are you dreaming of a retirement filled with travel, a new car, or home renovations? A reverse mortgage can turn those dreams into a reality. By choosing tenure or term payments, you create an additional monthly cash stream. This isn't just about covering essentials. It's about enriching retirement years with the experiences and comforts you've worked so hard for. Looking at the bigger picture, a reverse mortgage can play a pivotal role in your financial strategy. The line of credit option, for instance, offers a guaranteed growth rate on your funds, accessible tax-free. Initiating a reverse mortgage sooner rather than later can maximize the compounding growth, offering a robust tool for managing your financial future. Beyond these uses, there's another opportunity: the reverse purchase. This approach uses a reverse mortgage to fund the purchase of a new home, combining the benefits of downsizing, relocating, or simply finding that dream retirement home with the financial flexibility of a reverse mortgage. Each individual's financial situation is unique. Whether you're seeking to address immediate financial needs, enhance your retirement lifestyle, or incorporate a reverse mortgage into your financial planning, our team is here to guide you through the process. If you're curious about how a reverse mortgage could fit into your retirement strategy, contact us today to explore your options and learn how a reverse mortgage can work for you.